So the stock market is becoming quite optimistic again, and we are seeing some very nice bullish reactions that suggest a rally ahead. So let's look at this situation very calmly and define what the best strategies are for the moment, because our focus here is practical. This is the Finance Hydra channel where every single day we analyze the market through the lens of technical analysis to design intelligent strategies in order to mitigate losses and maximize returns so that you can learn to trade professionally without betting on the market. Everything we say here is based on technical evidence and statistics. No emotions, no bias, just a practical focus. My name is Nathan. Welcome to another daily analysis video. Now, yes, we see the SPY ETF making a very nice bullish chart pattern, okay? It is materializing a bullish pivot point, a higher high, higher low. We made a low over here last Friday above the previous low, higher than the previous bottom, and right now we see a high higher than the previous high. So it is a crystal clear bullish pivot point, a higher high, higher low, one of the best chart patterns known in technical analysis, which reverse the trend more often than not. So from a statistical point of view, it is a very nice chart pattern which suggests a bullish reversal. Now, yes, we are facing the 21-day EMA as a major resistance level right now. Okay, it is a critical inflection point for the SPY, but guys, by making such meaningful pivot point right here, right now, above critical support levels, as I'm going to show to you guys later, it is already a very nice bullish indicator, okay? And today we see another bullish candle closing above the 21-day EMA. So yes, we see technical evidence on the daily chart, medium term wise, suggesting a possible rally ahead. On the 1-hour chart, we see that SPY made a double bottom chart pattern, okay, another classic bullish reversal chart pattern, and right now, finally, we are consistently trading above the 21-hour EMA, the exponential moving average on the 1-hour chart. See, since this peak over here, the last peak on SPY in February this year, we saw SPY trading consistently below the 21-hour EMA. Yes, we did a few bounces over here, but none of them could reverse the short-term bearish momentum. Now, we are finally making higher highs, higher lows on the 1-hour chart after making a double bottom chart pattern, trading above this 21-day EMA. I'm so sorry, 21-hour EMA, I mean. So it is a very nice bullish reversal on the 1-hour chart, suggesting confirmation of this bullish reversal of this pivot point on the daily chart. Now we only have to see a breakout of this moving average on the daily chart, okay? But so far, so good. SPY is behaving very well. What's more, this bullish reaction on the 1-hour and on the daily chart, well, the timing for these reactions is just perfect, because 2 weeks ago we saw this hammer candle pattern above a classic trend line on the weekly chart over here. So yes, it is a bottom signal on the weekly chart, and we see further confirmation of bullish chart patterns on the daily and hourly charts, confirming a bullish thesis over here. Now, what's the problem? Yes, we still see the 21-day EMA area as a resistance level, but apparently we have another key point over here, the 575, which was the previous trigger point of this double top chart pattern on the SPY ETF. You know, seeing a bounce over here to retest this key point as a resistance level is okay. It happens more often than not, alright? So it is totally normal. But guys, we are in a very dangerous trap zone between this purple trend line, which is holding its prices, okay, and below this resistance level. So if we see any breakout. If we see a breakout of the 575, fantastic. SPY will show further confirmation of our bullish thesis over here, which could suggest another rally, maybe to the $600 area again, all right, which is a psychological key point close to this resistance level over here, right? So yes, we see a meaningful resistance level at the $600, but it is critical to see SPY maintaining its price above the 575 key point on the weekly chart, so we can see a better movement confirming the bullish case. Now, but Nathan, what if SPY collapses, okay? What if we see a top signal tomorrow, right? Closing below the 21-day EMA again, then all right, maybe what we see over here is just another dead cat bounce to the resistance level on the daily chart, to the 575, suggesting another collapse over here, maybe to lose this purple trend line again. And in this case, the 510 is going to be our next support level. All right, but again, so far, there is no meaningful top signal. Today, we only see another bullish candle. So guys, tomorrow doesn't exist. All right, tomorrow is the future. The future is fiction. We can't predict the future, regardless of what your favorite technical analysis guru says to you. We can't predict the future. Okay, we cannot. TA does not help us. Fundamental analysis can't help us. Algo trading, tape reading. There is not a single tool in this planet that can help us predicting the future. All that we can do is to behave properly to what we see, and we use technical analysis for a statistical advantage on this market, which is not that high. It is never that high, but the most important thing of all is to learn how to do the correct risk management. Okay, I always tell you guys, use stop losses, okay? Know where your target is going to be before you place the trade, all right? So these things are very easy to assess using charts, using technical analysis. It is the perfect tool for you to understand what is going on right here, right now in the market, so you can behave properly, you can react properly. Trading is reactive, not predictive, okay? That's how we do here in this channel, so we can work strategically, okay, using intelligent strategies. All right, and regarding the QQQ, we see another fantastic bullish pivot point, okay, breaking the previous high. Yes, we are struggling around the 21-day EMA. Still, it is a very promising signal. It is the first bullish pivot point since February this year, okay, when we did this movement, we did this rally over here to make a new record high. So great, we have everything to fly to higher levels to retest the $500 again. Just like SPY could retest the 600s, we see the 500s as our next target level for the QQQ in this scenario. All right, and what's more, the QQQ also shares a bullish reversal chart pattern on the 1-hour chart. We see double bottom, we see the QQQ breaking the 21-hour EMA, trading above it on the 1-hour chart. On the weekly chart, we see a hammer candle pattern over here 2 weeks ago above the 477 support level. Right now, we see further confirmation of this candle structure, so fantastic. QQQ could easily seek higher levels. Now, the 500s is not only a psychological key point, but it is also a technical key point. Was the previous top level over here, July last year, support level over here, January this year, could be a resistance level again. What's more, it is very close to the 21 weekly moving average. Okay, so we gotta be very careful around the $500. So, guys, I'm not saying to go crazy over here, okay? I'm not saying that SPY, QQQ, the market is going to explode and the reverse. No, but I do understand that a bounce to our next resistance levels is completely acceptable and even desirable, okay? Because for swing trading purposes, we can use a bounce like this. We can take advantage of a bounce like this. We may see many other opportunities ahead, and then we'll see if the indices will truly reverse or not, okay? Either way, we have plenty of time to do fantastic trades over here. We see many stocks behaving very, very well. I'm gonna show to you guys here in this video. So guys, the market looks optimistic right now. Let's see if the indices will break their 21-day EMAs or not, because, well, this bullish case could be wrong, all right? We can all be wrong, okay? Therefore, this is why we use technical analysis, so we can know where our stop loss is going to be in order to design a strategy that allows us to mitigate losses while maximizing profits. Because most people, they lose more than they make, okay? And that's not good. You are not consistent in this scenario, okay? In order to achieve consistency, you gotta design a strategy that allows you to mitigate losses and maximize profits. It is not about avoiding losses. You can't, okay? You can't. We can't, all right? We can't avoid losses. We are all going to lose eventually. But the important thing is that our losses are smaller than our gains. That's the most important thing of all. Now, regarding Nvidia, this one is on the verge of triggering a bullish pivot point. Okay, a higher high, higher low, right? Above our support level over here. Now, by breaking the 122.89, we're gonna see a bullish pivot point, a fantastic bullish reversal chart structure, suggesting that yes, Nvidia is supposed to bounce to higher levels, to recover and seek higher levels. What's our next key point on Nvidia? We have one around 135, but the optimal target over here is 142, okay? Which is our next technical resistance level over here on the daily chart. Now, but Nathan, what if Nvidia makes a top signal, a sign of a top below the 122 area? In this case, we are going to possibly see a double top chart pattern, okay? And if we lose the 115s again, all right, it's over, okay? We are going to technically trigger another bearish reversal chart pattern, suggesting more correction ahead, possibly on the weekly chart, possibly rejecting this piercing line candle pattern we observed 2 weeks ago above the support level. So guys, Nvidia is looking quite optimistic, okay? Could we see a technical bearish reversal chart pattern over here? Yes, we could. But again, if we see one, then all right, then we are going to change our strategy, okay? But for now, we only see another bullish candle today on the verge of breaking its pivot point, all right, making a higher high, higher low. That's all that I know. Therefore, Nvidia is still optimistic. It is still in bullish territory. It is above the 21-day EMA, so it is looking quite good. It is no different than Tesla, but Tesla is even more powerful. Not only because it is going up nearly 12% today, but because we see a classic double bottom chart pattern getting triggered, okay, getting triggered right here, right now, today. And it is breaking the 21-day EMA. It is leaving the 255 behind. Do you guys remember? 255. That's our key point over here. That's the key point you want to see Tesla breaking if you are bullish in Tesla. Okay, if you are bearish, all right, now you are in a very problematic situation, seeing Tesla going up 12%. Could we still see a top signal? Of course. But if we see top signal, then all right, then maybe it is going to show us a nice shorting or selling opportunity. But for now, there is not a single sign of a top. There is no bearish reaction suggesting a reversal. Okay, we are very bullish right now. In fact, we are only confirming our previous bullish case over here, okay? Because guys, I did share buy signals on our Telegram channel on Tesla over here, right here, March 11, okay? I did share this bullish harami after closing this gap over here, right? I did share a buy signal on Nvidia as well, again, here, March 11, all right? And now Nvidia is exploding on the verge of giving us further confirmation of our previous bullish case. hardly we are going to lose money in this context right here, right now, even if we see another collapse. But and this is why I always tell you guys, let's trade strategically, okay? Knowing where our stop loss is going to be, where our target is going to be, so we can understand what's going on and then devise the perfect strategy for the moment. I always like to tell you guys, buy near support levels. We saw Tesla near this support level, making a bullish harami over here. Fantastic buy signal. Yes, it did drop over here, right? But right now, it is going up. Our stop loss was below this candle's low, so we were in a very safe situation the entire time, okay? So that's why I always, I can't stress enough. Guys, let's work strategically over here, okay? Now, if you ask me, what's Tesla's next technical target? Well, the $304, okay? That's a top over here on the daily chart. That's where I see Tesla heading to over the next few days, or maybe in the next few weeks. All right, of course we could see a sign of a top over here in the next few days, but even in this situation, Tesla is still looking very good, very promising. Our buy signal was near our support level, so our risk was very small, while the potential reward is amazing. That's why I always like to tell you guys, Tesla is very good right here, right now, but we gotta work with a clear strategy, okay? With a very clear strategy. And guys, remember, you are invited to join our group of swing traders, the 5% project. Come and learn with us to trade without fear and without stress, in a professional way, using strategy. There you will receive clear trading signals with buy signals, stop loss, targets, all defined before the trade is even triggered, okay? We always trade calmly. We are swing traders, right? Not day traders, so swing traders, and we can help you be more consistent in the market by offering you strategies aimed at mitigating losses and maximizing profits. It's free to test. Totally free to test. You can stay with us for 7 days without paying anything, learning in practice with real life experience how we apply our strategies. If you like it, then you can stay. You are more than welcome to test our service. The link is in this video's description, right here below in the video's description. Okay, now AMD, you know what AMD is doing right here, right now? It feels like a rounded bottom, right? I hate rounded bottoms because it is always too late. When we realize it is a rounded bottom, it is always more often than not, it is too late. Okay, now we see a double bottom, a rounded bottom. Okay, by breaking the 114, we're gonna trigger this double bottom over here. On the weekly chart, we see a fantastic rally over here. We saw a hammer 2 weeks ago. Last week, this hammer was confirmed. Right now, we see another bullish rally. Okay, we are right now in bullish territory. We are re-entering bullish territory. Nathan, is AMD a good buy right now? But right now, according to my style, no. I see many other stocks making way more promising signals, but if AMD makes a pullback to the 21-day EMA, to the 106 resistance level, support/resistance level over here, right? Then perfect. It will be perfect. AMD will show us one of the best buy signals in the last few months over here. Okay, so it is going to be one of the best bullish patterns here on AMD. But for now, well, let's wait. Okay, let's just wait. But Nathan, what if AMD keeps going up? What if AMD flies over here, guys? Not my problem, okay, because I do see many opportunities in this market, and the AMD could be one of them. It could, but without a pullback, I'm not convinced. That's it. Okay, I see many other stocks making better bullish signals, like Palantir, for instance, over here, but AMD is not the case. Okay, AMD still deserves a pullback, and then after we see a bottom signal near the 21-day EMA, fantastic. I will be way more optimistic regarding AMD, but right here, right now, I'm still a little bit skeptical. I'm waiting for another meaningful signal with good risk-reward relationship, all right? And guys, today I did a live stream with the members of the 5% project, and there, guys, that's why I love our community, okay? There, you guys shared many fantastic stocks, all right? I did love the stocks you guys were watching, and I thank you guys for sharing your ideas with me, because I saw many incredible buying opportunities over there. Okay, so again, remember, you can join our Telegram channel for free, watch this live for free, and see the stocks we are looking at right here, right now. Stocks that our community is monitoring right here, right now. And guys, you have fantastic ideas. You will benefit a lot from the brainstorm we had over there, okay? So today, this morning, we had a fantastic live. You can watch. It is right there on our Telegram channel. Many incredible stocks. Seriously, fantastic stocks, okay? Now, let's continue our analysis. Palantir looks very promising. It is breaking. It is triggering the gigantic inverted head and shoulders chart pattern we did identify last week, all right? Now, okay, by triggering this pattern, Palantir suggests more rally ahead. What's Palantir's next technical target? 125, the all-time high, okay? That's it. That's where I see Palantir heading to next, okay? Nathan, what if I buy Palantir right here, right now? Well, you could, but please set a tight stop loss, maybe around $83, and this is it, okay? This is it. Right now, all that I know is that we are bullish on Palantir, re-entering bullish territory again, making a bullish signal above the 21 weekly moving average over here, okay? So yes, Palantir is bullish. It is maintaining the uptrend. It is looking very good. And one of you guys warned me, right, that a MicroStrategy hit our target today. All right, it was the first high beta stock I recommended to you guys when we saw the indices stabilizing, okay? I told you guys, we see a Harami candle pattern above this support level and a possible double bottom chart pattern. I did give you guys the buy signal on our Telegram channel right here, March 11 as well, okay? Now we are exploding, we are breaking our target. Now what's the plan over here? Because you can do a few things in this context. Let's say you are out of MicroStrategy, okay? Nathan, I missed this trade over here, okay? I missed this one. So what should I do right now? Well, right now, if you have a long-term perspective, it is still possible to buy MicroStrategy because we are triggering a double bottom chart pattern, okay? And in this case, we are also making a fantastic bottom signal on the weekly chart. So we could see a better recovery on the weekly chart, maybe to retest this resistance level around 444. But honestly, we have everything to retest the all-time high again. Okay, because after all, it is a double bottom, it is a bottom signal on the weekly chart. We are now above the 21 weekly moving average again. Okay, so if you want to buy, now is the perfect time to do so, okay, for the long term. All right, for swing trading, the best buy was over here. Now, let's say, Nathan, I bought over here, I still have some shares. Okay, you can sell partially near this resistance level, okay, and set a trailing stop gain. Are you guys familiar with the trailing stop gain strategy? When we see our stock breaking our target, okay, we can buy partially, you can sell completely, okay? That's totally fine, okay? No one is going to judge you. But let's say you still believe that MicroStrategy can continue to rise. Well, sell partially to lock some profits and set a stop loss below today's candle low, all right? Around $311. If tomorrow we see MicroStrategy going up again without losing today's low, fantastic. You move our trailing stop gain to tomorrow's low. If the following day it does the same, okay, you will move to higher level. And this is it. You continue to move, and this way, you will let the market cash you out of this trade. And guys, again, this is why it is so important for us to trade strategically, because by using this simple strategy, we can remove emotions from this equation. Okay, you stop wondering where the top signal will appear, where the next top will appear. All right, so that's it. You just leave the market, the decision up to the market to cash you out using a trailing stop gain. That's fantastic. You stop feeling anxious, you stop feeling nervous, you stop feeling stressed, all right? You just leave the market do its thing, okay? If we continue going up, amazing, fantastic, all right? One of the best trades of the year. But so far, for now, let's use this strategy. Okay, that's what I recommend to you guys. That's what I tell you guys on the 5% project. All right, now Broadcom, this one over here is very interesting because we are trying to buy as well. Okay, I'm gonna confess to you guys, we are trying to buy Broadcom over here, but we are inside a trap zone between the 200s and between the 21-day EMA and this support level made by this purple trend line. We closed this open gap over here, we stabilized, we did react, but we have yet to break this resistance level. So guys, if we see Broadcom breaking this double resistance level again, amazing. We're gonna see another very good bullish reversal chart structure suggesting another rally to the 237. 237 will be our next technical target, but we gotta see better reaction. On the weekly chart, we see this trend line clearly, all right, since October 2023. Now we are trying to react, but Nathan, what if we lose this purple trend line? Then all right, then let's take a step back. Let's wait a little bit more because Broadcom is not going to trigger a buy signal for now. So let's just wait. But for now, guys, we can afford to wait. Okay, we can always afford to wait. But if you ask me, Broadcom could have had a better performance if it weren't for dividends, okay? Because it paid, let me see, 59 cents over here. Well, we could be a little bit higher, but either way, we have to wait for a clear breakout of this double resistance level so we can start thinking about buying again. For now, Broadcom is a wait, but it is looking very promising. If you ask me, Nathan, if you had to do something without confirmation, okay, trade without confirmation, if you were to bet on Broadcom, what would you do? I would buy, because I would follow the long-term trend over here. I see bottom signals on the weekly chart, all right? So I would favor the long-term trend over the medium-term trend. Okay, that's why I would buy, and I would expect a pullback, a breakout of this $200 resistance level, okay? And I would set a tight stop loss below the 180s, and this is it. This is it. Okay, again, remember, if you work with a clear strategy, everything is possible in this market. And of course, it is also possible for you to subscribe this channel, because no one watches a video nearly of half an hour without liking the content, okay? So please, my dear friend, click the like button, subscribe, because we are here every single day talking about many stocks, many opportunities, teaching trading strategies, and helping you in designing your own trading strategies, okay? So this is what we do here in this channel every single day. For more content, for more signals, for more analysis, join the 5% project. Thank you so much for your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow as usual. Stay safe. Bye-bye.